Before we even look at how to chop an onion, we're going to need a very sharp knife. So, first of all, a quick lesson. Every kitchen needs a good set of knives. This one is a cook's knife, and it's good if it has a little bit of flexibility to it. The other item is one of these, which is a sharpening steel, and this will last you a lifetime. The best way to learn is to hold the steel in a horizontal position in front of you and, starting with what's called the heel of the knife, which is this, holding the knife at an angle, slide the blade right down to the tip of the knife, like this. Then do the other side. Repeat this action several times, starting slowly, then speeding up. Once you've learned the technique, you may find it better to hold the knife and the steel at a different angle, like this. And the secret of sharpening is little and often. And practice is all that's needed. Now, here is our onion. First of all, using a small knife, slice off the papery bits at the top and peel off the outer papery skin, using the knife or just with your hands. But leave the root intact. Then take off the hairy bits, leaving the onion layers attached. First of all, cut the onion in half from the top down through the root. Then lay the onion, cut side down on the board, with the cut top of the onion nearest to you. Hold it with your fingernails tucked inwards and slice downwards. Make sure you cut close to the root, but not through it, so it keeps the onion intact when you want to slice it the other way. When you get 2/3 of the way through it, change your hand and firmly grip the onion, then slice the remaining third. Then make a diagonal cut into the layers, or 2 cuts if it's a very large onion. Now cut all the way across the slices if you want them finely chopped. Alternatively, slice the onion in half, then slice across. When the layers are separated out, they make half-moon shapes. For long, slow cooking, it's important not to chop the onion too small, in which case, slice it, like this, into larger slices, or very chunky pieces. Then finally, for braised dishes or roasting, again with the root intact, you can cut it into quarters, or eighths if they're large, which will keep their shape during the cooking. We'd like to leave you with this wonderful grilled onion salad. These are thick onion slices with the skins left on, brushed with oil, seasoned and placed under a hot grill until they're soft and charred around the edges. Cool the onions, slip off the papery skin and serve them on salad leaves with Parmesan shavings, lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. The recipe is amazing and of course it's right here online.